Okay, all right. Well,
No,
I'm Tracy Walker, your internet network marketing coach, and I have the distinct pleasure of standing here with the Mr. Todd Falcone.
What's up, Tracy?
What's up, Todd?
I'm just having a good time.
Chilling like a villain.
That's right, baby.
That's right. So, what can we say good to help people grow their business? What's the number one thing? You're the master. We're here learning from you. What do people need to know?
Make a decision to change your life and then take action. Pretty simple. I mean, you can work for somebody else and get somebody else rich, or you can get yourself rich and help other people do it. I think that's an important thing. Good stuff.
That's it. And take action. Take action.
Right.
He taught something today in the class, and I just went out and implemented it, and I just came to say thanks.
Well, thank you.
All right.
All right.
Bye.
See you.